was about to get an egg. An Easter egg. Easter egg. Easter egg. Easter egg. Boing, boing, bo, boing, 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 boing. Sheriff, exactly what I wanted. Sheriff, exactly what I wanted. Okay, I'm done now. I'm done using. Wait, what was that? Now I'm just use the brown gyroscope. Then after that, I'm use the yellow gyroscope. Then after that, I'm going to use. Wait, was there a red gyroscope? No, I thought there was a red gyroscope, and then the white gyroscope, and I think there are more gyroscopes. No, okay. 2 more gyroscopes to try. I can fit anything. Wait, actually there's a spot where I need to remove my pet. I'm sorry pet, but I have to remove you. Small avatars to see there are these wait, what am I saying first of all? Get locked in. got good luck. Again, sheesh, people got good luck. Again, sheesh, people got good luck. Again, sheesh, people got good luck. Got good luck. Hold up. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Huda, hula, saladito. Does that even make a picture? Shh. Then I painted on the wall.